This is a fit for a 2018 and beyond Subaru WRX STi. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima SkyLine Corebar base roof rack system. This system consists of the SkyLine Tower, Yakima steel Corebar load bar, and the vehicle specific landing pad. This vehicle uses the landing pad 22. The Corebar length is 50 inches. The crossbar spread is 32.5 inches center to center. The overall carrying capacity for this vehicle is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product, along with the full line of Yakima products, are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.